Well, hello everyone, and what a week it has been. And so that's why we wanted to take a moment to explain what is a tariff, what is going on, and why is the Dow dropping over 1,000 points in 1 week. So let me begin with what a tariff is. A tariff is a tax on imports. Let me give you an example. I am a very big blueberry guy. And so during the summer months, I'm able to get my blueberries from Maine and from New Jersey, and there's no problem whatsoever. I'm able to get it locally. But let's say I'd like one in February or March. Well, in that sense, I can only get it from South America, where I have to import those blueberries onto my plate. And so let's say, for example, President Trump puts a 25% tariff on blueberries. Well, now I'm going down to my local grocery store, and those same blueberries that for last year I bought for $5, I'm now buying for $6. That would give me pause, because now I have to pay $1 more for that same set of blueberries, and I may not actually buy it, which hurts me because I'm unhappy because I don't have my blueberries. It hurts all the suppliers along the line. And most important, it hurts the farmer and his crops who's just trying to sell his blueberries in time. So that's why tariffs can be so dangerous to the global supply chain and to trade. Because if we start to build up these walls, then business slows down, and suddenly there is less money in all of our pockets, or we're actually having to pay more, okay? Now, the optimists are saying that, no, don't worry, guys. President Trump is just using this as a bargaining tactic. It is true, China has done a lot of intellectual property malfeasance. I mean, there's been a lot of going on with China that should be addressed. And there has been some loss in the fact that in our manufacturing jobs. So the optimists are just saying, you know what, don't worry about it. It's all bark, no bite. There's too much at risk right now, and all we're going to do is kind of work out better trade deals. Well, the pessimists are worried. They're worried that it will escalate, and what is right now a suggested tariff becomes official, and then it becomes tariff after tariff after tariff, which then leads to us in a very difficult predicament. So that's kind of what's happening right now in the market. But I just want to reassure everyone that, A, we have your interests in mind. I mean, we wouldn't be working together if we weren't following this every single day and responding to it in the right way. And I know it probably goes without saying, but it's just a nice reminder that the market is a long-term vehicle. There are going to be these dips in the road. And who knows, next week, if they announce the tariffs are now gone, you will see a very positive move in the market as well, okay? So remember, tariffs can be a very dangerous thing for our overall global economy, but they're not official yet. So we're seeing a lot of movement and anticipation. We certainly hope that it does not escalate into a trade war, but we will always be working together. We will be following this every single day and making sure that your assets and your plan stays in one piece. Thanks again. Have a wonderful weekend.